춤추면서 시작해. 일로. 이렇게.
We can't go close.
하이 하니.
But we can't go close.
알았어. 온다.
No.
It's starting right now. 하이. 여기서 이제 낙이 타고 올 거야. 저기서 올 거야 이제 낙이 타고. 기다려.
We can't go in the middle.
알았어, 유니스 힘 빼.
We can't go in the middle.
Hi, I'm Monty Law.
여시 그때 똑같은 아저씨야.
Back, you're good. Behind him. Back. There it is. There's the line. Did you not hear that? Move back.
넘어오지 말래.
응, 맨날 이렇게 그랬어. 하이 유니스. 하이 하니. 이제 들어온다.
Mama, this is Bethlehem.
오 그러네.
오, 베들레헴. 오, 스베니얼. 딱딱해?
네, 딱딱해요.
구워서 그래. 베이킹.
It's a cookie.
먹으면 안 돼?
네.
저기 다 소리 지른다. 저거 저기.
한다.
No,
Census.
trumpet.
아하.
It's trumpet. I think it's trumpet.
Big people. That's the Romans.
한다. 저 아저씨도 똑같아. 저 스탬프 찍어준 아저씨지.
맞아. I remember him.
Silence!
저 아저씨도.
By order of the most royal Caesar Augustus, you have been commanded here for the imperial census. Registration begins tonight and will continue until all belonging to this town and the surrounding countryside have been counted. You will register with the census taker below. This event will be orderly and without incident. Disturbances will not be tolerated, and any interruptions of the peace will be swiftly and vigorously punished.
Hail Caesar.
Stay calm, act reasonably. This will all be over in a few days. Curfew begins in 1 hour. Exceptions are made for prearranged religious purposes only. Remember, provincials, stay calm, act reasonably, and pay your taxes. Hail Caesar!
Hail
Caesar!
your taxes.
I will not pay my taxes. I am not a taxpayer.
들어온다. 마리아랑
마리아.
요셉.
Oh, it's the real
Joseph.
donkey. It's real.
Yeah.
동키가 안 움직여.
Donkey doesn't move.
Yeah.
Donkey, come on.
I think it's a horse, not a donkey.
그 여자도 똑같은 것 같아.
Move.
아 무서운가 보다.
That happened with Mary and Joseph. They never have it in the baby.
Mary, our journey's been long and difficult. We need something to drink, and then we'll find a place to stay. Excuse me, madam.
요셉이야. 여기가 그 사람이 요셉이야.
You look tired. Thank you for your kindness.
똑같은 사람이야. 저 조셉.
여기서 멀리서 하네. 이제 저번 저 앞에서 했는데.
Oh no, how did you be traveling?
We've traveled 3 days from Nazareth. Do you know of any place here where we can find lodging?
Lodging? You must be mad. The whole countryside is here. Oh, I'm so sorry. I really have to go now. But there's an inn around the corner. Try that. And good luck. And may God be with you.
No, wait. Well,
절로 가야 돼. 절로는 간다.
There we go.
갈 수 있는 것 같은데? 저기까지 갈 수 있는 것 같아.
All right, come forth and state your business.
here to register for the census.
Very good. Where are you from?
I'm from Nazareth.
Nazareth?
Nazareth.
That's quite a ways from here. That's a 3-day journey. Okay, very good. Let me see.
It smells. It stinks. I see this. It's.
All right. What's your family's name?
David of Bethlehem.
Control that piece.
I'm working on it clearly.
And what's your name?
Joseph.
Who's this woman?
She's my wife.
All right. Oops, here are taxes. What about this animal?
간다.
Get that mangy beast away from us.
간다. 따라가자.
All right, on the side of the line. Keep moving. You guys keep moving.
Even my own children are sleeping on the steps because of Caesar's census. Wait, is that you, Joseph? Come around old Bethlehem, have you?
Please, my wife is about to give birth.
You know, people are talking about you two and how you don't even claim to be the father of this child. I don't have room for you two.
Let's keep looking.
Stay back. Stay back. Hold on.
That's fun. That's fun.
Where'd it go? Stop right there.
Hello? Hello?
Shalom. I'm sorry, but we have no more room.
Any other place where we could find rest?
Not at this late hour, and with so many people. Reuben? Reuben! There's some people out here wanting to talk to you. Get out here and do your job. Have enough to do with all the cooking and cleaning. Straighten your robes. I don't want anyone thinking I have a messy husband. Now tell them we have no more room.
We have no more room. Sir, my wife is great with child.
Well, we have a stable. A stable? What kind of man would do such a thing? If I was with child, would you be putting me in a stable? Well, to your mother we give 3 rooms, and to a pregnant woman, it's a stable? That's all we have.
Anything my wife needs to rest.
Well, you do need some place to stay tonight, so I will clean out some straw and get you warm blankets, and that will make it better. Reuben, go clean out some straw.
Yes, dear.
Rachel, give them these blankets.
May God be with you and your wife tonight.
Thank you for your kindness.
아, 저긴가 보다. 아, 저거 공연?
Matthew, John, put it in front of them.
I don't think I can see. Come on here, bud.
옛날에
여기 열릴 거야 이거.
옛날에 오빠가 얘 목마 타워주지 않았어? 얘처럼?
Yeah.